I'm sitting in a 2015 Nissan Rogue with a flip key. We're going to be programming two keys. One works at the moment, and then there's our additional. And this is the new body style. You can tell by the ignition lock too, that's different. So let's get started. It's very simple. Do not put a key in it to start it. Nissan Rogue 15. And we go into the smart key version, even though it just says Mobilizer 1. The smart key, both the smart key and the flip key are the same. Program key, hazards are on. Open and close driver's door. Yes. Okay, here's our status bar. Enter. Okay, now, instead of pressing the start button, you can take your key, turn it to on, and watch for the light to come on. Flash 5 times. There it is, right there on the left side. Turn it off. Take your next key, put it in the ignition. That light will go on 5 times. There's a slight delay when you turn it on. Turn it off. Original key back in. Turn it on. Light will stay out. Turn your blinkers off. Key out. That works. And you are done.